Hi everyone, welcome to week 6 for Law and Ethics. Hope you're doing well. I think so far people are doing an excellent job. I just want to highlight again, make sure that you worked on your APA paper. A lot of you have done a good job at this, but you have resources available here within the module. And a lot of you are also in my communications class, so you have even more resources there to be sure that you have an effective paper coming up. Just don't wait till the last minute. I think it's really important to know that it's a large part of your grade, and on top of that, there's some important things in there that you want to focus on in order to write effectively. So you're on week 6, which is this week. Of course, we're starting a day early since I normally open it on a Saturday. Super interesting stuff in week 6. We're going to talk a little bit about the concept of understanding in regards to how things are based within the physician-patient relationship. So it's Chapter 5, Week 6. And in this discussion, I talk a little bit about an interesting story from a guy that actually faked being a doctor for quite an extensive period. So hopefully you'll get some interest out of that. And then you have your Chapter 5 review questions, which are based on your PowerPoint, the notes, and of course the book reading. So take your time in reviewing them. Be sure to do everything you can to look at the material within here. I think this is interesting too. Look at minor consent within Washington State. So it talks a little bit about who needs to consent for treatment, if they're a minor in regards to their age, what they need to consent for treatment for. So it's really interesting. So take a look at everything and reach out if you have any questions. I hope everyone has a great holiday weekend. Enjoy Monday off. Take some time to relax. And if you need anything, please reach out. Email pwilliams@pmi.edu. Thanks so much.